Hey, my name is Johnny. I was a lead fabricator on this build. Let me show you what we did. First off, we did full Hotchkiss suspension, upper lower control arms, sway bar with airlift, dual bellow, 7-inch bags in the front. Came to the back. We put in single bellow. It's all bolt-on kit here at AVS. We built especially for this, and we're gonna put it in our catalog. It'll be coming soon. Single bellow in the rear. So we are using a 3-piece system, all hardline, stainless steel, polished, with our going into our bulkhead fittings, with our custom bulkhead plates. They should be in the catalog as well. Using 3 of those, the 4s, the 2s. We also have them in the 6 and an 8. Polished nitrous system from Edelbrock, and a 3-gallon polished aluminum tank with custom clamps for both. And 2 Viair compressors, the 444s. They filled at 3-gallon. We also installed some electric cutouts. Let's hear how they sound. When you want to wake the neighbors. So if you have something simple like this, we can bring it in and get it done, or if it's more complex, we can handle those too. It really doesn't matter. If you have it, we can bag it.